Welcome to the channel. Mozilla has long been a symbol of open source freedom, but in recent years, Firefox has taken a direction that many users no longer trust. Telemetry, questionable experiments, and a management style that seems detached from its original values have led to one big question. Is there a real alternative to Firefox? Several projects have tried to answer this. One that initially caught my attention was Zen Browser, a highly customized Firefox fork. It had potential, focusing on privacy and performance, but recent updates have been disappointing. The project seems to have lost its clear vision. So what's left? What is the most realistic and practical alternative for those who no longer trust Mozilla but still want a solid browsing experience? The answer is LibreWolf. LibreWolf is a no-nonsense Firefox fork run by an independent community with a simple goal: to provide a clean, privacy-respecting, and secure browser. No telemetry, no tracking, no shady features. Just a browser that respects its users. And the best part? It works exactly like Firefox. Full compatibility with Firefox extensions, no need to learn a new UI, no missing features. It's literally Firefox, but the way it should be. Now let's consider a scenario. What if Mozilla doubles down on its questionable decisions? If Firefox were to become filled with ads, tracking, or features dictated by corporate sponsors, the community would likely turn to something like LibreWolf, a Firefox experience, but fully controlled by its users. So if you're looking for a serious, stable, and true open-source alternative, LibreWolf is currently the best option. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you satisfied, or do you still believe Firefox has a future? Thanks for watching.